Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from footer. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for shopify.com. Next, click on the settings icon at bottom left corner, and a new window will slide onto your screen. Here, click on the edit icon beside the My Store header, and you'll be able to change the store name to your liking. Now, if I open my website, you can see that the name just changed to the one I entered. In order to remove the Powered by Shopify text, get back to Shopify, close the Settings menu and access the Online Store Editor. Inside it, click on the three dots icon at the right side and select Edit Default Theme Content Feature. Now, search for Powered in the top search bar and locate this bar. Here, enter a space inside it and then save the changes. As you can see, the Shopify branding just got removed from my website. So that's basically how you can remove Powered by Shopify from footer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.